Why y'all let me do them curls like that? Real Housewives.
Problems. I would never thought that you could be causing these problems. It smells so bright with eyes like these diamonds. Caution. I know I should have known. Right now you're not alone. I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant. All the words you never said. All the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. Running. Everyone says that I should get going, start running. But how am I supposed to run when I'm falling? I don't wanna get in trouble. See where you stand. I don't wanna see you crumble. To recall what we meant. All the words you never said. All the questions in my head. 'Cause you're trouble, yeah. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. Yeah, you're trouble, trouble, trouble. Yeah, you're trouble. 'Cause you're trouble, trouble, trouble. Yeah, you're trouble.
Good afternoon. So you guys have an amazing day. So this is the plan for today. I just finished recording my skincare routine, and honestly I was playing around with the lighting. Let me show it to you guys. I feel like it looks good because that whole like low light. So today I did not end up going to the gym. Let me tell you guys though, I had the best sleep of my life. I woke up so rested. Oh my goodness. I definitely did sacrifice the gym for sleep, but that's okay because the goal is to hit it Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, hit it as hard as possible, and that is what is going to be accomplished. Hello?
Well, I'm officially done for the day.
To Pilates. Woo. Child, I didn't even start. I'm up here filming my vlog for day 2.
See you as soon as I get home. I should be there shortly.
Okay, alright, bye. Tomorrow we'll be filming. Basically, you know how they have the I'm cold makeup. I want to do something a little bit more elegant and sexy. So it's gonna be with red lip, basically the red lips version. And then I have quite a few other makeup tutorials that I am gonna be filming too. So anyway, so let me go ahead and get cleaned up. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the day.
I make this motherfucker bad. Coolie suelta, media loca, baila choca. I make this motherfucker bad. Rebelde y grites, gangale. Bandidos en la noche, yo quemando aquí. Ven acá, suelte mami, así me gusta sofocar. 7 copas, una juca tequila. Sally, 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 baby.
So also too, I'm trying to turn my room into like a cozy, I try and change the decor. I try and make it like nice and cozy and just comfortable, but like cute and elegant and simple, modest. I don't know, boho. It's a lot. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a perfume stand and put these here and then add a little bit of decor up here instead of, you know, I want it to be nice and cozy, but yeah, it's still glam, you know.
No tienes vergüenza, mami. Baby, quiero ser el río de tu Tokio. Chingamos en la casa de papel sin negocio. Esta vida nunca se acaba la fiesta. Comiéndote todo el día que se joda esa dieta. I tell that sucker, 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 yeah. I tell that sucker, I make this mother. I make this motherfucker bad.
Hi, I have a pickup for Joanna.
Yeah,
Here is like not cooperate. This piece is not cooperating, but that's fine. I'm not even gonna stress it. Today is a chilly today it is 64 degrees. That's not what we're doing. That's not how it's supposed to be. Bring me back my summer. Bring me back my heat. Bring me back the 80s and the 90s. So let me give you guys a rundown of what we are up to today. We are decorating a Christmas tree. Yes, we are decorating the Christmas tree. Super excited for that. I'll make some gumbo, just see, get into like the festive mood, and it's gonna be a fun day. Also too, I'm going to Ross because I want to see if I get like a little perfume stand holder. Thank you. You too. Ooh, Bath and Body Works is popping today. I heard candles causes cancer. I don't know how I feel about that. There's like a such thing as a natural candle. Guys, you need to try this. The creme brulee latte with oat milk, 3 shots of espresso, 2 shots of the creme brulee because I don't like it super sweet, no whipped topping, and no caramel crunch. This is so good. Bum, bum, bum. All right, guys. Good morning. 10 days. Today's all about content.
Listen, I already know I look a hot mess, okay? So please don't reiterate it.
Ignore the hair. Listen, it's gonna work for the videos. This ain't for YouTube. This is, well, actually it's for YouTube Shorts. This is for IG Reel. This is for TikTok. Listen, this is gonna be covered, so I'm not even concerned. You shouldn't be concerned either, okay? We ain't worried about how this look right now for you. So good morning. With that being said, so clearly I had to switch hair pieces because why y'all let me do them curls like that? I was like, oh no, my hair is too grown out to look even with that. It's just too grown out. I have to get it re-highlighted again. Hair grown quick, no complaints. So this is the look I went with. This is another hair piece I had. Came out super good. Makeup looks bomb. Everything looks good. So we are on to look number 2. So this is the second look. It's super cute. This is like that I'm cold, but I did it with like a deeper, more dramatic red lip. Guys, we are 2 for 2. 2 for 2. We have our last look. I'm getting ready for my friend's birthday. It's only 4 o'clock. I'm not gonna start getting ready till 6. I'm doing so good. Listen, it is hard being consistent with content. It is so hard being consistent with content. So all my content creators out there who are consistent, bless up to you, but I'm doing it and it's actually really pretty. This is so beautiful. So this is the makeup for tonight. It is super cold, so I didn't want to wet my hair, so I just slicked it back. It is hot though in the room. This light behind me is no joke. Looks super good. So I'm about to head out and have a good night enjoying my friend's birthday. Oh, I gotta re-slick the edges, so bye. Good. It's definitely afternoon. I need an iced coffee. Okay. Last night was so much fun. The dinner was amazing. It was such a good celebration. I am definitely a lightweight, so I had a little too much to drink. I had 2 margaritas, a shot, and 2 beers. Actually, no, not 2 margaritas. I had a margarita, a mojito. Somebody who don't drink regular. I was actually a lot. It was good times, good vibes. Everybody was so nice. So what are we doing today? I hope you guys don't find it weird that I say we. Like we, because this is what we doing. I always feel like I don't get judged. People gonna be like, that girl is crazy. What you mean we? Like we is me and you, we. So what we are doing is we filming 2 more makeup videos, and then I'm just going to put the hair oil in my hair, let it sit, clean up my room, reorganize, clean out my makeup brushes, my makeup, and get set up for the new week. You know, today's the end of the week. Did a lot, accomplished a lot of fun. It was a lot, you know, with cooking, working out. It was a good time, and I'm excited now to get back into working out this week. Anyway, I'm gonna start filming my makeup. I'm gonna come to you. I will see you guys soon. Okay, this is the final look. This look looks amazing. This is the perfect soft glam, and it is 5:45 p.m. I woke up like around 10. I didn't start filming. I filmed my first tour at 1, and I took a break, and then I just filmed my last one. I'm about to go to the store to grab the ingredients for my peach cobbler because my sister wants peach cobbler. So in the spirit of the holidays, I'll make it. But this look looks fucking amazing. I'm so mad it's being wasted at Publix. I'm keeping this in the vault. This will be my go-to soft glam. This looks stunning. Of course, you do the best makeup when you have nowhere to go. I'm going to head to Publix, get the stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog. I went from 150 to 388 subscribers. I cannot wait to make it to my first 1,000. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys are the best. You make me so happy. Until next time.